Good boy.
Come on, baby.
Jeez, that's hard on your neck. That is hard on your neck, Mac. Mac. Good boy, Mac. Good.
I love dogs. There he goes. We don't need the bracer on that one. Way to go, Matt.
That scares you,
No,
man.
Maddie's scared from the
He is taking that box apart. That's one less box to break up.
Good
Look at
boy.
that job.
Get him, Mac. Get him, Mac.
Get him, Mac.
Yay, back!
Wow.
And here's my line. Makes you not want to go as a cardboard box for Halloween,
that.
right?
I don't think I'm going to be one. Against the light you supposed to do. Look at him destroy that box.
Mac, listen.
Oh,
Wow.
Jay, caramba!
Matt, you are going to flatten that thing.
This has got like a hole punch. You got like a hole punch, Maddie. Mac. Man, what do you think of that, Maddie?
And you,
Maddie doesn't like it.
Kinda
Maddie's
scary.
freaking.
look at this.
Wow, Mac.
Magnificent Mac.
You're shredding,
Wow.
Oh, Mac. Oh,
He is going to flatten that box.
just think what he could do to this little book, huh?
Good boy, Mac.
Mac, the
I've heard
magnificent
of
box
dogs
killer.
chewing off a door frame.
Shh, don't say that in front of him.
Yeah. I only say that one. Wow, he's going to flatten. That's amazing. I'll get that. I'm going to show. I'll do this. That's amazing. Wow, I'm amazed. Get it, Mac. Don't take any crap.
God.
Come on, Mac. Flatten it. You're doing a lot of chopping.
Mac,
Come on,
yay!
Mac. We're
Oh, you're gonna get back! Lay out, Ash, you got it!
It scares Maddie. Maddie is hanging back. Maddie doesn't like all that activity.
God,
That is
I am so impressed. Oh, my hero.
He's gonna flatten it. I called it. There he goes. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, Maddie is gonna do it. Mac. There you go. He's killing me. That is hilarious.
I know. Look.
Woo! Wow. I've never seen that dog do that in my life.
Mac. Mac's a good boy.
Mac. Dog.
Give me 10.
Wow, dude.
Oh, Mackie.
What a dog. Thanks for the entertainment, son.
So.
Oh, my.